Imagine a single product whose parts are made through the most complex industrial journey in the world, passing through 30 countries. A journey that doesn't begin with a screen or camera, but with a tiny grain of silicon traveling through Taiwan, Japan, Korea, China, and the US, eventually transforming into a technological marvel, then shipped to you in a sleek little box. This isn't fiction. This is the story of the iPhone. In this episode, we'll follow a single iPhone from the moment it's born out of silica sand deep in a mine to the moment it emerges from its elegant box in an Apple store. So how is one of the world's most complex devices made? Chapter 1. From Sand to Chip. Everything starts with a grain of silicon, mainly from Australia or the United States. This raw material is then sent to smelting plants in Japan or Korea to be transformed into cylindrical silicon wafers. It's then sent to TSMC in Taiwan, where the journey of the brain begins. Here, TSMC, Apple's most important partner, begins its journey. Inside its advanced facilities, the heart of the iPhone is created, the A-series processor chip. Inside ultra-clean rooms, billions of transistors are etched onto each wafer surface, with precision reaching 3 nanometers. This process alone takes weeks and requires extremely complex photolithography technology, costing billions of dollars. Apple designs the processor itself, while TSMC carries out the manufacturing with atomic precision. Chapter 2. The Screen, the Window to the World. After the brain, we need the eye, an ultra-high-resolution OLED screen. While the chips are being etched in Taiwan, we now move to South Korea, where Samsung Display and LG factories prepare to produce ultra-high-resolution OLED screens. At LG and Samsung factories, screens are made by spraying organic layers onto ultra-pure glass. Each screen goes through over 100 inspection stages, testing for color accuracy, touch responsiveness, scratch resistance, and power consumption. Apple refuses to use off-the-shelf displays. Instead, it designs custom specifications to ensure every pixel performs exceptionally. Chapter 3. Digital Eyes. The cameras. In Japan, Sony begins its journey in manufacturing the camera sensors that give the iPhone its visual power. Each sensor contains millions of light-sensitive pixels and is examined under electronic microscopes. Then they are sent to China, where lenses from companies like Largan and Genius are added. What makes the iPhone camera special isn't just the hardware, but the smart algorithms developed in Apple's US centers applied to every photo taken. Chapter 4. Battery and Memory, the Beating Heart. iPhone batteries are made in China and Korea, using lithium polymer cells molded under heat and wrapped in an insulating layer. Each battery is tested through up to 1,000 charge and discharge cycles. As for memory chips, NAND flash and RAM, they come from companies like SK Hynix and Qualcomm. undergoing strict speed and durability tests. Chapter 5. The Outer Shell, Jabil and Foxconn. The iPhone's outer shell is manufactured in China or India, where aluminum is cut with laser precision. Then it's subjected to color anodizing and nanopolishing. Every frame is inspected both manually and automatically. Apple uses special alloys to make the frame both lightweight and durable. Chapter 6. Final Assembly, iPhone City. All these components are shipped to Foxconn's factory in Zhengzhou, China, famously known as iPhone City. More than 200,000 workers operate in this factory, and the assembly process involves nearly 400 steps. The motherboard is installed with extreme precision, followed by the battery, screen, cameras, and the outer frame. High-precision robots are used for tasks like soldering, screwing, and sensitive assembly. At every step, engineers oversee quality tests, visual inspections, and thermal checks. Chapter 7. Testing and Packaging. Before leaving the assembly factories, each iPhone undergoes a series of rigorous tests: battery charge and discharge test, water and dust resistance test, camera inspection, screen calibration, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth test, and drop resistance and network testing. Any device that fails is immediately discarded. Then, the phone is placed inside a precisely designed box with accessories included and sealed using an automated mechanism. Final chapter: Packaging and Delivery, from the line to your hand. The phones are placed in dedicated packages, labeled with a QR code and serial number, and wrapped in eco-friendly materials. Shipping then begins to over 70 countries, where the iPhone finally arrives in your hand. The iPhone economy. The iPhone is not just a phone, it's an economic powerhouse in your hand. Apple sells over 220 million iPhones annually. 54% of Apple's global revenue comes from the iPhone alone. The iPhone is assembled from parts made by over 200 companies across nearly 30 countries. Each iPhone is sold with a profit margin that can reach up to 40%, making the iPhone the backbone of Apple's empire. Manufacturing investments alone exceed $100 billion, indirectly employing millions of people in the global supply chain. What you're holding now isn't just a device, it's a global project that traveled across continents to reach you. It is also a clear example of what humanity can achieve when it unites behind a single product. So, which stage of the manufacturing journey amazed you most? Did you expect the iPhone to go through all these steps? This episode was the result of an entire team's dedicated effort over many long days. From deep research to precise writing, to professional voice recording and high-quality video editing. Every shot in this production and every line in this script was crafted to elevate your knowledge and take you on an unforgettable journey behind the scenes of technology. If you appreciate this effort, don't hesitate to support us. Subscribe to the channel to receive all our new content. Activate the bell so you don't miss any release. Thank you. Because without you, the journey wouldn't be complete.